Hello guys, my name is Benji and welcome to my first Visual Effects Pro tutorial. The reason I'm doing this is mainly because after a YouTube search for a similar tutorial, I didn't find anything useful in English, so I decided that if no one else did it, I will do it. So this is the home page of this program, and because it's the first tutorial, we'll only cover the process of creation a database that contains one or two tables within a project. So we begin by clicking File in the top left hand side corner and New. We can also use the keystroke combination Ctrl+N. We will select Project, New File. It opens the Windows Explorer and we can actually navigate towards a file location we want to save our project in. You can rename the project if you want to and click Save. Okay, so this is our project manager and it's pretty much empty. We have to click on data, and the project can contain one or more databases, and in order to create those we need to click on new database, and it should open the same file location. We'll rename it as test database 1 or maybe just test database because we'll only create one database, and click save. Now this is our database designer, but we don't need that at the moment. As you can see, in front of the database word we have this little plus that previously wasn't there. When we'll click on it, it will open the databases we have included in our project. On the database we can do the same thing, and it goes like this. The project contains the databases and the databases contain the tables. So in order to create a table, we click on table and new table, and we have to rename it again. This time we'll add a 1 at the end of the word because we want to create more than one table, and click save. Now this window opens up and we can actually customize the header of our table. Let's say our first column will be called subscriber, which is of type character, and it can be as long as 25 characters. This won't be our primary key, so we won't select that because we can have two subscribers with the same name. And the most important rule while working with tables is that you cannot have a duplicate value on the primary key. The second column will be allocated for the country that subscriber is from. Let's say country character. I don't think there are countries with more than 20 characters in their name, and we don't want to allocate more memory than we actually need. And this is pretty much it for the table. We clicked OK, and now we have that table stacked into our database. We can click on plus and it shows us all the columns that table contains. To create another table, just click on tables and new table, test table 1, just add a 2 and click save. Let's say in this table I want to store data about my videos, so game name, considering that it's a series, let's say about 30 characters per name. It's not the primary key. The second column will be the episode, so episode. The max will be 1000 episodes per series, so I think that's enough. The third column will show the length of the video, so we write length, and it's going to be numeric. These will be seconds, so we won't need decimal values. I think a max of 9999 seconds per video it's enough. So we'll click OK, and we already have the table attached to our database. In order to add values, we'll select the table and then click browse. To append a new record, just type Ctrl Y. After you fill in the data you want, just click Ctrl S to save and then click X. This obviously applies for the second table as well. We should probably specify here that there are seconds. Be aware though that you cannot use spaces or any other characters rather than underscore, so keep that in mind. I think that's enough for the first tutorial. Next time, if everything goes as planned and I'll be able to record the next episode, I will show you how to do the same thing using commands. My name is Benji, thank you so much for watching. Like if this was useful to you and subscribe for the next videos. Hopefully I'll see you soon.